So hello everybody. Today we are going to start Python tutorials. I have written some questions in my notepad. So this is the basic questions. The first introduction related to introduction topics of the Python. So the first question here it is written in the notepad is create two variables number one and number two and calculate their sum. Okay. So this is our first question, right? So let's see how we do that. So what we have what I am using for the code writing code is just go to the Google Chrome and search Python. Okay, when you search Python there, you will get to the Python websites, and from there you will get the Python download for Windows. Okay, yeah, that is so simple. So first verify that it is original website of Python, that is Python org or something. So from there you can download the Python. Okay, so when you downloaded the Python completely, you go to the Windows search tab and you search there IDLE. What is written here? IDLE. Okay, you will get this interface open when you click on the IDLE. Okay, so this is terminal for if you want to create any new file, you can create a file and you will create a new file. Okay, but in the our case I am using terminal because we are using this just simple code, not very large or something extra code. Okay, now so what is our the first question? The first question that we are using is creating two numbers and uh, adding them and printing their result. Okay, so see what I am doing. So what num number one. So this is the variable that I have created. So number one is my first variable. Okay, so first I am assigning the value. So that is number one is equal to 1. So you can take any values, that is your choice, that is nothing to do with the concept. Okay, so just focus on the concept. These are the basics. Okay, so number one equal to 1 and number two equal to 2. Okay, so number two equal to 2. So sorry, there is a syntax error, that is we have not assigned any value to number 2, the variable number 2. Okay, so I am assigning the value to number 2, that is 2. Okay, now it is okay. Now we have to print the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so just print number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so that's all we can that is 2 1 plus 3. Okay, so it is all over. Okay, now these are the values that I have assigned. Okay, 1 and 2 are assigned by me, but for case key if you want to that the number the variables value is assigned by the user, then what we have to do? So the thing is that you have to just write sorry, because I have already written the variable number 1, we cannot write the variable once again. Okay, we can change it, but for instance I'm not changing that, so I have taking the another variables different from the number 1 and number 2. Okay, so that is number 3. Number 3, and see how we are taking the input. So if you want to take input as a type of integer or type of float, okay, that depends on you. So for example, that I am taking integer type as a input. Okay, so I have to define that I am taking integer type from the user input. Okay, that's why I have written int. Okay, int is a short form of integer. Now input is a function that allows us to take the input from the user. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Enter your first number. Oh sorry, I have not clearly closed all the bracket. So these are the some syntax error that you have to very clear about it. Okay, so int input, I'm so sorry about that. Enter your first number. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, so what I did here mistake is that I am just closing this bracket, that is input wala part, but in the nt wala part we have not closed here. That's why the error is coming, that is syntax error. Okay, now here see, enter your first number. Okay, that would be 1. Okay, so it goes nothing like that. Okay, then number 4, again same thing. So I'm just copying from here, and okay, so from here I have to change first to second. Okay, second. So again enter your second number. For example, I'm again putting it with 2. Now print number 3 plus number 4. See, again 3 coming out. Okay, so these are the more what is convenient way for the user to input anything, like these are the user input. Okay, so this is a more convenient and more customized way of writing code. Okay, here we are just defining the code, that is 1 and 2 in the values. Okay, now here I am just adding the 2 number, but you can do anything you like print number 4 minus number 3. Okay, so you will get 1. You can print simply anything, like you can perform the multiplication also, number 1 into number 2. Okay, again 1 into 2 equal to 2. Okay, you can do anything, like see, print number, oh sorry, I have 1 and 2. Okay, that's all. So for example, number 4 into number 2, so this will get, the answer will be 4. So let's see, that is 4. Okay, so it's very simple. And so what you have to do, you have to just focus on the basics and the syntax of the Python. Okay, so this is the first question, or we can say this is the first tutorial that we have did in the Python. Okay, so I have 4 more questions written in my notepad, so I will explain in the another videos. Okay, so I hope these things make you clear. Just focus and practice as much more as you can, and you will get clarity, you will get more clarity. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching these videos.